Hello, good morning everyone. Today I am discussing divisibility rules from 2 to 11. So by 2, last digit even. If we take any number 32, 42 like this, these numbers are divisible by 2. We find last digit number is even like this. By 3, sum of digits divisible by 3. Now we take any number 743. So this number we take add 3 digits, 7 plus 4 plus 3, 40. So this add digits are comes 40. So this is not divisible by 3. So if any number divisible by 3, so we find sum of digits divisible by 3. By 4, last 2 digits divisible by 4. If any number divisible by 4, so last 2 digits are divisible by 4. 1024. So last 2 digit number is 24. So it is divisible by 4. So 1024 also divisible by 4. Next by 5. Last digits 0 or 5. So if we want divisible by any number by 5, so last digits must be 0 or 5. Like this, 10, hundreds, 1005, 15, like this. By 6, divisible by both 2 and 3. If any number divisible by 6, that number must be divisible by 2 and 3. By 7, double last digits subtract from rest divisible by 7. By 8, last 3 digits divisible by 8. Last 3 digits numbers 3456. We take this number. The last 3 digits number 4, 5, 6 is also divisible by 8. By 9, sum of digits divisible by 9. So same manner, in the same manner by 3. This is also same. By 10, last digits 0. If any number divisible by 10, must be last digits is 0. By 11, difference of sum of odd and even placed digits divisible by 11. If any number divisible by 11, we take in that number odd sum of odd numbers and sum of even numbers also divisible by 11. So now we take one example, 10,546. 10,546. 10,546. In these numbers, odd numbers is 156. 1,546. Even numbers by 11. 10,546 odd numbers is 0, 4. Even numbers is 156. So sum of odd and even number placed also divisible by 11. Sum of odd numbers also divisible by 11. 1, 5, 6, 11, 12. So this is not divisible by 11.